Welcome to Zinnia's Google Apps Pro Tips. Today we're going to look at the Google Drive Android app. So right here I have the Google Drive Android app. And one of the amazing features of this app is that you can scan something directly to a PDF. So let's take a look at the Haven Academy file server. And right here I have all of my folders. So say I want to put in the data folder under academic data, I would like to put a file of students' work in here. So this may be to share. Let's go back actually. Let's put it in the DAP days. So I want to be able to share some student work at a DAP. So I'm just going to hit this plus button. I'm going to click scan. And then I'm literally just going to take a picture of the student work, whatever it might be. Okay, it's going to scan it. You're going to select OK. And it's going to create a PDF directly in the folder that you asked it to. So here's that PDF. Okay, so it looks like maybe I need to give it a little bit more room. So I'm going to try one more time. And so I can just simply, just like any file here, I can just select the three little dots next to it and just remove it and it's gone. And so now I'm going to try one more time. I'm going to give it a little bit more room when I scan. So we're going to come up a little bit further and scan that. Okay, and so now you see it fits perfectly in the screen. We'll select it and it's going to upload my file directly in there, and there you go, PDF directly of the kids' work. Now this would be useful also for forms that need to be signed in PDF. This would be useful for sharing forms that maybe you need to fill out for assessments, and then you need to share with a supervisor or with the grade level, or for a DAP day where you want to handwrite something and then create a PDF out of it. So anything that would be handwritten and you wanted to create a PDF from, you can use scan to PDF. One more quick thing about the Drive app also is if you would like on your phone to have a folder shortcut for the Haven Academy file server, you can just click on whatever folder it is. You could make the main Haven Academy folder. You could also make a curriculum folder shortcut or whatever other shortcut you want. And basically you would go to Haven Academy file server. You're going to click the little three dots next to it, or like I said, any folder that you want to create a shortcut, and you're just going to select add to home screen right here. If you select add to home screen, it's going to put it directly on your home screen, just like an app. And if you see mine here, I have a Google folder where I put that shortcut, and here is the Haven Academy file server shortcut. And so it opens directly to that instead of to my Drive. So if you want to make a shortcut to any of the folders, and I suggest you make one for Haven Academy file server, you go to your Drive app, you hit the three little dots, and you click add to home screen. Then you can drag it around to any folder that you want that you might have on your Android device, or you can just leave it directly on your home screen just like an app. I should give a little bit of a disclaimer that the iOS app is slightly different. So if you have an iPhone and not an Android, I suggest you throw it in the garbage and get an Android. No, I'm just kidding. It's just going to be slightly different. So you'll probably still be able to make the shortcuts, and you can still save things, but they're not going to save directly to PDF. They may save to JPEG. They may be a little bit differently. So the Drive app is available for your iOS device, but it's slightly different. So what I showed you is exactly how it works on an Android device, but if you need help trying to figure out your iOS device, I'd be happy to help you with that as well.